Welcome back, my dear children. Take out English Rose, Chapter 4, The Red Raincoat. Children, this is the warm-up exercise you will do on your own. Now turn the page. This is a story about Manu. What happens actually when he gets a new raincoat? We will find out. Children, how you feel when you get a new toy, a new storybook or a new dress? We all feel very happy and excited. We will read this story to find out what happens when Manu gets a new raincoat. Manu's parents gave him a new raincoat and he was very excited about it. So every day he looked for the weather to change so that he could wear the raincoat. But every day the weather was such that couldn't use the raincoat. On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. "Ma, may I wear it now?" asked Manu. "No, my dear, the rains are near, but just now the sky is clear," said Ma. Monday was bright and sunny. "Will it rain today, Mummy?" asked Manu. As Manu was very excited, he wanted to use the raincoat. So he asked Mother, "Will it rain today, Mummy?" "No, Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny," said Ma. Children, if it's not raining and you are using your raincoat, how funny you will look. So Mother told not to use the raincoat. On Tuesday, the sky was blue. Again Manu asked, "Ma, when will my wish come true?" asked Manu. "Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky," said Ma. Wednesday was hot. "Ma, why doesn't it rain?" asked Manu. Manu was very excited to wear the raincoat. So every day he is asking Mother, "Son, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before it is noon," said Ma. On Thursday, Manu went on a picnic. And he asked, "Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me?" asked Manu. He wanted to take the raincoat, so he asked, "Ma, if it rains, shall I take the raincoat?" "No, my dear, it will not rain today." Mother was sure that it will not rain today as the little white clouds are too high in the sky, said Ma. Friday was cloudy. "Ma, will it rain today?" asked Manu loudly. Mother said, "It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky," said Ma. Saturday began with a bang. Bada boom. "Ma, is that thunder I hear? Will it rain very soon?" asked Manu. Then at last it started raining. "Oh, it's raining," sang Manu, running out. But Manu called Ma, running after him, "You forgot your raincoat." So children, what happened? For the whole week, Manu was so excited waiting for the rain to come and he can use the raincoat. But finally when Saturday it rained very promisingly, Manu ran out into the rain but forgot to take his raincoat. Isn't it an interesting story? Children, you will read this story nicely and try to understand it properly. Thank you.